Letter number 21. Qaf. Qaf. Looks like fa, only with two dots above it instead of one. Pronounced qa, not ka. Qa, like a thick ka. Think of it as the sound that the chicken makes, the cluck. Officially, this sound is called naqiq or naqnaqa in Arabic. The name has two qafs in it, which figures, by the way. Okay, this is its pronunciation in Fusha, the official pronunciation of qaf. Now, in slang, it really depends on the accent. It's pronounced in some accents ah, like alif and hamza. In other accents, ga, like a G in girl. In others, ka, like a ka, okay? Like a K, like the letter K. And in other accents, ra, like the ghain we talked about in a previous video, the French R. But still, if you pronounce it as it is, pronounced in Fusha, it will still be fine. How about some examples? Qird, which means monkey. Qamar, which means moon. By the way, that's the way to describe a beautiful person, that he or she is a qamar, like the moon. How about qaf in the middle? Baqara, which means a cow. See here, qaf is at the beginning of the word here, in the middle. How about a word where qaf is at the end? Baq, which means bugs, and plural, bugs. Baqqa, if you want the singular, but bugs, baq. If you double this word like this, baq, 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 it's like a verb, when you describe water, when it makes bubbles, bubbling. Let's say it's bubbling, we say baqbaqa. See how qaf exactly connects to other letters like the fa does? Okay, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Comment below in the comments. Practice qaf, and I'll see you in the next video.